How to check your JAMB UTME results. There are two ways to assess your results. One of them will help you see what your grade is, and that is when you use SMS shortcode. And the second one will help you not only to view, but also print your results. Let's look at how you can check your JAMB UTME results. Number one, check your results using SMS shortcode. This method is fast, and all you need is the phone number you used for your UTME registration. So to check your results, open your phone's SMS app, send UTME results or UTME space results via SMS to 55019 or 66019. Remember, you have to do this using the phone number you used for your UTME registration. Before you send this message, ensure that your phone credit is at least 50 naira. This SMS is going to cost you 50 naira. Once the message is sent, the first response you get will inform you of the cost. Afterwards, you will get another message telling you about your result. The message you get will vary based on your case. If you got a result, your message will read something like this: Dear XYZ, registration number 123, your year UTME results. Then it will outline your scores for all 4 subjects and then the aggregate. If your result is withheld, you get a message that says result withheld. If you are absent from the exam, the message will say candidate absent from the exam. If you enter the exam hall without authorization, the message will say invalid entrance into the exam hall. If your registration number is cancelled, the message will also indicate that. And if you use a phone number you did not use for your UTME registration, when you send the SMS, the message you get will be, this phone was not used for registration. Now let's look at how you can view and print your results. So that will be the method B. To view and print your results, use the JAMB portal. The first thing you have to do when you use this method is to visit the official JAMB e-faciity portal. That is https://e-faciity.jamb.gov.ng. Log in using your registration details. Under the available service options, choose Print Result Slip. You'll be required to make a payment of 2,000 naira online. Once you have made the payment, you can print your original result slip. So after you make your payment, these are the steps you take. Enter your registration number. Select your examination year. So if you want to check for this exam that just ended, the result came out today, enter 2025. Ensure your details are accurate before you print. Then print your JAMB UTME result slip. Note that your original slip will also include your photograph. Hope this helps. See you in the next video.